What's up, nail crew? I have been wanting to try some French tip, like kind of abstract nail art with gels for a long time, and I finally got a chance to do it with this mani here. And I'm wearing Fighter from OG Dip Powder Crew as my base color. It's a nice light, neutral, slightly shimmery pink. And I got these really fun neon colors from Macart, and they're the gel liners, and I have to admit, I've tried playing with them before, and I just did not do a great job. And I thought, all right, I'm gonna get these, let's do some abstract nail art and let's make it easy. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, just do something simple. So I decided to try to do like an abstract French art that I saw on Pinterest, and it was where like they combined two different colors of gels like on half of each nail for a French look, but it wasn't like perfectly symmetrical or anything. I thought, oh, this works, because I will definitely not be able to do anything like super symmetrical, so abstract art is the way to go if you cannot do that. So I took purple and just kind of glided it almost into like a half heart shape on one half of my nail. And the nice thing about having almond shaped nails was that I knew exactly where the center of my nail was. And I flash cured that after I finished it because I didn't want anything to run while I was doing the rest of my nail design. I took white Casper from OG Dip Powder and kind of did like a sharper shape on the other side and came down, and then I flash cured that as well. Then I went through and I added these little like kind of polka dot but not perfectly round dots on the white side, just to like give it some flair, give it some pizzazz. And again, nothing super particular about like how the design looks, and that's the best part about abstract nails, because once you get an idea, you can just go with it. Each of my fingers, you'll see at the end when I show my finished mani, that it doesn't have to look exactly the same. So whenever you're doing nail art over your dip powder manis, you want to finish your dip powder mani through activating, buffing, shaping, and all that. You wipe it off with isopropyl alcohol and then add a layer of gel base, and then you can cure that, and then you can start doing all of your gel designs. After trying my first nail, I went through and finished the rest of my nails, doing the same design with the purple gel and then the white gel, and I flash cured all of those and then fully cured for 30 seconds once I finished each part of each of my nails. Then I did a layer of gel base, cured that for 30 seconds, a layer of gel top, cured that for 30 seconds, and here is my finished mani. Don't forget to check out this next tutorial for more fun nail art. Thanks for joining me today, nail crew.